Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Let's go for a drive. Let's have a chat. So yeah, welcome back. Let's have an update then, see what's going on. So I'm having to re-record this video. Spitting words out. Jesus, so I've got my new GoPro Hero 3 Black on. I don't know if you can see it in the mirror. You'll notice there that I've not got my pre-silver on there. My face cam camera, that's getting swapped out for another one of these as well. Hero 3 Black. Why, you're asking? Well, because these ones have got the Pro Tune, so you can do a little bit more stuff with the editing and stuff. And better quality, goes up 4K, 2.7K. The only downside with that is you lose on the frame rate, so yeah, it gets a bit more blurry with the movement. Ideally you want 60 frames per second. Anyway, blah blah blah. So yeah, so I've got this one. So I fitted this, what was it? Got it Monday, and oh my goodness, I put it on the helmet. I've took it for a spin, and what's packed up? The 64 gig memory card that I usually use in here, little micro SD card, finally failed on me. I was even talking about it while I was vlogging. Well pissed off. So yeah, it finally failed on me. I lost all that footage. So annoying. Had some quality drivers on there as well. Anyway, so I've had to trash that. So I'm back to my 32 gig one on here that I've got at the minute. So yes, that's what I've got. So I've got the new replacement for the silver coming. Well, they're picking up the silver today in about the next hour. Look at this dweeb, look. Right up his arse. Anyway, so going off part of there. Yeah, so silver's going out. The black one will then get delivered. So I'll have black on the face cam, black on the helmet cam, and yeah, we'll see if the picture quality improves. See what it's like on the editing as well. Tried to edit with 4K before and it's an absolute nightmare. Slows your computer down big style. Yeah, so that's what I was up to. Yeah, I lost all of that. I've also got I've switched out the microphone as well, so I want to see how this microphone works. See if the audio quality is good or not. So what I'm doing is I'm not going to go too fast or go on too many fast roads, so we can try its audio and check out the Suffolk countryside. Let's have a look around. Yes, that's what I've been up to. We had the new nuts and bolts installed on the exhaust, fitted to the frickin' laser, so they're attached. Hopefully my nuts are not going to fall off, and we'll check those when we get to the other end. It's kind of officially spring stroke summer now. I've had a few kills with the bugs, so must be warming up. I had to clear the windscreen and had it all over my GoPro camera as well. That was the other thing as well. So did all that footage, come back, so oh my god, loads of dead bugs on the front of the GoPro housing. So that would have been the footage ruined anyway, and well, it didn't matter anyway because the 64 gig had crashed. What is this dweeb up to? Look at him. Yeah, go on, overtake him then. Oh my life. Oh, what was that? That was incoming. Someone taking pot shots at me. Proper dodgy bridge, this one. Looks like they've resurfaced the road as well. Oh yeah, that's what they've done. Look what they've done. They've put all that. So here in the UK, so they're a bit of cheapskates. They've resurfaced it by the looks of it, but they put all that. It's like loose gravel, which is proper dodgy, especially if you're on a motorbike. One always get a bit of movement. Yeah, it's nothing quite as bad as filming all that footage. Oh my god. And then finding out either your memory card's corrupted or your camera hasn't been recording. Done that one before as well. Yeah, get back home, all gone. Very frustrating. Second time it's happened now. So what we've got to look forward to. So 28th of April I think it is, we've got Mr. Fish. He's having his big meet up down here in the south, Box Hill. So hopefully that's on a Sunday, so we should be going down to that and meet. There's some more motor vloggers going, Instagrammers and all that business, so there should be quite a lot of people going to that. Hopefully, touch wood, the weather stays like this, should be a good day out. Hello. Thoughts down below. Do we like women joggers with little ponytails swishing in the sun? I do. It's morale. Comment in below. A little person in the back of that car. Give it a little wave. Ooh, a little wave. Little wavy poos. So hopefully you'll know before me anyway if this video is recorded. If it has, don't forget, hit the thumbs up, give us a like. It all helps with the algorithm apparently. If you like the channel, obviously subscribe, smash that subscription button, and if you smash the notification bell, you'll get notified every time I upload a video. And that's Jim Diesel. Ow. Right, let's check my nuts. Let's see if my nuts are still on. One nut. And two nuts. Yeah, they're still on.